Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Google Voice typing language on your Samsung device. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first let's go back to home screen, and once you are on home screen, go into your settings. There find for general management. Next tap on keyboard list and default, and there is Google Voice typing option. You can disable it, you can enable that option, and once these options are enabled, just go into it, and now there you are able to change languages of Google Voice typing. Just tap on languages, and there you can scroll down the whole list and you can mark that languages that you need to use in Google Voice typing, and then tap OK. Now you can switch between primary languages, and here you see extra option is available. It calls primary language, and you can switch between your languages in any time you want. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.